Hello, my Mahjong friends. Welcome to the Mah Jongg Class Clinic. In this clinic, I'm here to help you improve your Mahjong game. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a maven, you'll want to know all about building the hands. In this video, we'll be going over singles and pairs. Be sure to learn the categories first, the headings, and what you need to collect. Look in the description below as I can teach you what to collect for each category. We're going to build the hands category by category, line by line, and we'll go over in detail how to build the hands by using the parentheses to help us along the way and understand the hands. Make sure you watch all 9 videos on how to build the hands. Before we get started, please support the Mah Jongg Class channel by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button for the content you enjoy, share the video with fellow Mahjong friends and family, comment. I love engaging with you. Ask questions. Consider giving a thanks of appreciation for my knowledge, my time. I appreciate it. And also email me at mahjongclass@yahoo.com if you have any questions you'd like to share. It means the world to me that you show up each week and watch these videos. I appreciate all your love and support of the Mah Jongg Class channel. By helping to support the channel, it helps it grow and shows us to create more tutorials and education for free on Mah Jongg Class channel. Thank you again. We've been lucky enough to be given some discount codes, Maj Class 10 for Oh My Mahjong and Maj Co. Please support the Mah Jongg Class channel by using the discount code Maj Class 10 to get 10% off your order. In addition, My Fair Mahjong, Charleston Mahjong Club, and Hip Hip Mahjong and Bespoke Mahjong. You can also use the discount code Maj Class at 10% off. Support the channel by using Maj Class to get 10% off your order when you shop at My Fair Mahjong, Hip Hip Mahjong, or Charleston Mahjong Club and Bespoke Mahjong. Thank you for using the code and supporting Mah Jongg Class. You can also consider becoming a channel member by making a small monetary donation by clicking join on the home page. There are 3 levels to choose from, and you can pick the one that best fits you. Thank you again for all those who are supporters of the Mah Jongg Class channel that have chosen to become channel members. Thank you. Although the content is free, it is supportive to become a channel member. Thank you. I always play on ilovemahj, and this is where I'll be building the hands. So please consider joining ilovemahj and using the code CB. You get a 3-week trial, so why not go there and build the hands? It's a great way to improve your game and to get better with skills by playing on ilovemahj. I've been a member since 2021 when they first opened up the site. I enjoy playing on the platform. It's a great way to improve your game and to learn the new 2026 Mahjong card. Use the code CB to get your 3-week trial. Now let's go on and play on ilovemahj and build the hands in the exercise room. On the main page on ilovemahj, to build the hands, we're going to go to play, exercise room. We're building the hands, we're making the hands. You can do it sequential order, which would be category by category, line by line, or you can do random order once you complete it. So let's launch our exercise. And you could start with the 2026. Make sure you change your card and you put in the 2026 card. You can also change your section, and you can pick what section you want to start with first. Today we're doing singles and pairs. In your top right corner, you can exit as well as keep score of how many you get right when building the hands. The singles and pairs category, the whole category, is as if you're playing the whole card. If you particularly like a hand in the singles and pairs category, play the corresponding category to that. Let's go over what that means. The whole singles and pairs category is concealed. You can't call any part of the hand to expose, only for your final tile for Mahjong. Nor can you use jokers anywhere. They're already jokerless, So you will not be eligible for a jokerless hand bonus if you play for money or points. Again, singles and pairs correspond each line to a category. Let's look at what that looks like. Singles and pairs hand, line number 1. This hand involves tiles from the Winds and Dragons section as well as like numbers. You will need pairs of a number with the matching dragon, plus all 4 winds in pairs. You'll take your news and double it up. Pick a number and use it all the way across. And grab those dragons during the Charleston and hold on to them. Let's check this out, how you build it. 2 norths, 2 easts, 2 wests, and 2 souths. You have each of your dragons, and now grab a number and just play it across. And I'm going to use the number 4. So I'm grabbing each 4 and match it up to your dragon, and you have a valid hand. Super simple. Look to play this hand. Line number 2, again concealed, is 3 suits. You're playing 2, 4, 6, 8, doubling up on the 8s. And then you will need to have the 3rd suit 8s, and you cannot change it. It has to be these numbers only. Let's build the 2, 4, 6, 8 hand. Again, play this with the category of 2, 4, 6, 8 when you're collecting your tiles during the Charleston to see if you might have it. Start with any suit of your choice. Just double up on those 6s and 8s. 2, 4, 6, double up on the 8s, change suits. 2, 4, double up on the 6s, double up on the 8s. We use cracks and dots. Bams is last, double up on those 8s. And validate the hand. On to our next hand, line number 3. This is a 3, 6, 9 hand. This is quite interesting. It uses all 3 suits. You have to be very careful of where you're doubling up. The first pair has to double up on the 3s with the 3, 6, 9. The second pair is the 6s, double up on the 6s with 3, 6, 9. And the final pair, double up on the 9s with 3, 6, 9. So if you think of 3, 6, 9, you're doubling the first 3, the middle one you're doubling the 6s, and the last one you're doubling the 9s. It's going to be one you have to keep double checking and keep building. And don't forget to complete it with a pair of flowers. So start with your 2 flowers, pick any suit to start, double up on the 3s, 6, 9, change suits. It's the middle one, so double up on the 6s, 3, 6, 9. So we use cracks and dots. Final suit is bams, 3, 6, 9, double up. This is a fun hand to try. If you're playing the 3, 6, 9 category, don't forget to look in this category. I think this is one you could win. And try line number 4. Line number 4 is a great hand, although it's probably how most people like to collect all their tiles in one suit. If you like the 1 suit hand, you might be able to make this one. You're keeping a range of 7 numbers, pairs. Think of canasta. If you play canasta, I'm calling this the canasta hand. 7 pairs. They do have to be consecutive, which is a little different than canasta. It doesn't have to be consecutive. These have to be 7 consecutive pairs of the same suit. So pick any suit and just do pairs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the lowest number you could start with is 3 to get 7 pairs. Validate, and you have a pairs hand, consecutive, of any suit. On to the next hand. This is an odds hand. This is 2 suits repeating 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And it requires pairs of the 1s and 9s, so at the beginning and the end. Pick any suit, pair of 1s, 3, 5, 7 in the same suit with pairs of 9s. Let's repeat that in another suit. 1s, pairs, 3, 5, 7 with 9s, pairs. Fun hand. Again, play this along with the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 section when you're collecting during the Charleston. Let's hit number 6. This is a 2026 and our final hand that we're building. This hand requires you to have 3 white dragons and 6 2s and 3 6s. So good luck. This is the big hand, as is always referred to. It's worth 75 points because of the difficulty of it. You're going to need 2 flowers. Pick any 2 to start with. So we'll start with a 2 crack, a 0, a 2 crack, and a 6. There's our first 2026. Different suit, 2, 0, 2, 6. We did cracks and dots. Our final suit is BAMs, 2, 0, 2, 6. These can be in any order, but they do have to have 2026 all in one suit with the white dragon as a 0. In this whole section and in this hand, no jokers. You can't call for anything, they're all concealed. We have now just completed the 2026 card in building every hand. I hope you joined me and built along, either with tiles on your table or you went to ilovemahj. Please be sure when you're on ilovemahj that you use the code CB to register to get 3-week trial for free. I love this ilovemahj. We'll be using it more to learn more about the card. Tune in for more videos on learning the card. But start with building the hands first and understanding those parentheses. Make sure you read them. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. I hope you're enjoying building the hands line by line, category by category, which is helping you understand how to do so. Come back often and refer to each of the videos on each of the categories so that you can learn how to build the hands. If you don't have a set that you can put out and play, join ilovemahj and use the code CB and you can build the hand in their exercise room. Thank you for joining me and watch the next video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.